Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to remove the front bumper on a BMW X5 E70. First, gather your tools, including a T20 Torx driver, a flathead screwdriver, and a trim removal tool. Next, safely lift the front of your vehicle using a jack and secure it with jack stands. Finally, remove the front wheels to give yourself ample space to work on the fender liners. Now, let's tackle the fender liners. Use your T20 Torx driver to remove all the screws holding the fender liner in place. Once those are out, carefully pull back the fender liner to expose the hidden bumper fasteners. Then, move to the underside of the vehicle and remove any bolts or clips securing the bumper there. With the underside clear, open your hood. You'll find several screws along the top edge of the bumper, usually near the grille. Remove all these screws and any remaining clips. Once all fasteners are detached, gently pull the bumper away from the vehicle, being mindful of any electrical connectors for fog lights or parking sensors. For the final step, it's highly recommended to have a helper support the bumper as you fully detach it. Carefully disconnect any last electrical connectors for fog lights or parking sensors. Remember, reinstallation is simply the reverse of these steps, ensuring every fastener is securely tightened. Also, make meal prep easy with these leak-proof containers. Check the description for a link and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.